This design changed how people imagined the future. In the late 1920s, artist Hugh Ferriss drew a city of tall towers. Each tower seemed to reach for clouds. He added metal bridges that stretched between nearest roofs. The bridges let people walk high above streets. Ferris called this idea a Skybridge City. The form of the city is simple. Towers are made of steel frames and glass panels. Shapes are rectangular, but some edges are rounded. Bridges are thin, curved, and look light. Ferris used shading to give depth. He drew the scene in dark ink on paper. The function of the bridges was clear. They allowed movement without cars. Workers could deliver goods faster. Emergency services could reach any tower quickly. Citizens could enjoy fresh air while commuting. The bridges also gave more space on the ground. Streets stayed open for parks and pedestrians. Aesthetic-wise, the city feels grand yet haunted. Ferris used strong contrasts of light and shadow. Dark clouds loom over bright towers. This creates drama, like a film set. The style matches the Art Deco era. Clean lines and bold forms dominate. The bridges give the city a sense of connection. They tie isolated towers into a single organism. Ferris wanted viewers to feel hope. He imagined a world where height meant progress, not fear. At the same time, the gloomy sky hints at challenges. The design never left papers, but it inspired later architects. Modern skyways in cities echo Ferris' dream. His drawings still appear in books and museums. When you look at the sketches, you feel the wind, see the light. You can picture people strolling in the sky. That is why Ferris' Skybridge City still matters today.